everyone. In this week's episode, we will talk about the most popular and commonly used programming language, Python, an ultimate resource to learn Python programming easy way in 2020. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe. If you're on YouTube, click on the alert notification. That way, when we release more videos like this or go live, you will get notified. For someone who's really serious about pursuing and growing in a career in IT, a basic question that rolls the mind is this: which is the best programming language to learn? Most people who want answers to this question tend to get slightly confused because they would have heard about multiple languages such as Java, Python, PHP, etc. It isn't selecting that one truly app programming language to learn about the challenge lies. Every programming language has its advantages and disadvantages. A language that is perfectly suited for developing a certain type of application might not fit for developing other types. So, keeping the debate aside of which programming language is good to learn among all, let us look at the agenda for today's video. In the upcoming discussion, we will focus on the following topics with the applications of Python. Let us look at the different applications of Python programming language. The first one is web applications. Python can be used efficiently to develop web application. It provides some libraries to handle protocols such as HTML and XML, JSON, email processing, etc. Some Python frameworks such as Django can be helpful for the developers to design and develop web applications. The second different application is GUI-based desktop applications. Python provides libraries such as Kinter that helps to develop GUI-based desktop applications. Some other tools such as WX widgets, Kiwi can also be used to create applications on several other platforms. The third application is business application. Python also enables the developers to build business applications like ERP and e-commerce systems. Python programming language provides features such as scalability and extensibility that helps to build such business applications. Scientific and numeric application. Python can be effectively used to build scientific and numeric application. So this is the fourth different application and provides some libraries and packages such as SciPy, Pandas, IPython, etc. And the fifth application is game development. Python provides flexibility to develop games. Some libraries such as PySoy and Pygame provide the features required to develop games. The sixth application is AI and ML projects. Python programming language allows the developers to build artificial intelligence and machine learning projects. Some of the frameworks that can be used for these projects are TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, NLTK, etc. To conclude, there is no doubt about this programming language is emerging day to day and demanding the professionals to keep themselves updated always with all recent changes. Please look for the next video tutorial that discusses some of the fundamentals of Python programming language and basic syntax to write Python programs on a Simpliv website www.simpliv.com or reach out to the numbers on your screen 510-849-6155. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. I look forward to you joining us again in the next video. Happy learning!